Okay guys, what's up? Today's trade is OHGI. As you can see, it's reconnecting up here, and by the way, no, I don't have delayed data. Just stock is real time, and equity options, futures, and stuff like that I just don't really care about. Don't really mess with them, so all this is real time. So today's trade was this. And this, as you can see, basically from this point and then follows it through, and once it broke it, it wasn't worth buying. So that's just that. I just want to clarify on that before somebody actually comments. This is basically supports and resistance lines for those of you that are new or new to trading, or I always have these, but we're going to clear the draw set for this video, and we're going to focus in on here. Okay, so with all this being said, and I've said this multiple times, I do not trade pre-market, but again, I've traded a couple times in the past few weeks. I think this is the second time this week. I'm not really for sure, but things happen and you can't pass up opportunity. So again, I recommend E-Trade for trading. TD Ameritrade is good as long as you don't really want to go short. I've used them when I very first started trading. It didn't end up like because I wanted to focus on short, but anyways, right now it's a buyer's market realistically, as in not really a buyer's market, but it's not really good for shorting, so it's good for going long in this market right now. And this had a catalyst, and again, we're basically going to make it so every time you go to trade, you have to, like the pattern, it has to have a catalyst and it has to have a volume. Three things. That's all it really has to have in order for it to be a good trade. It's got to have a catalyst, it's got to have a decent chart so you know where support and resistance, stuff like that is, and the other one, that chart, oh, volume. It's got to have volume so you can trade. Sorry about that, had to think. But this was a really simple one. I was not in here. I watched it bounce up here, and I ended up getting in at 252. Where's this at? Maybe that's why I had a line there earlier. And I ended up getting out up in here at about, I know it was the 82 mark. Well, oh, I was already close to there. So 82. So I basically held this thing until market open, and it had this run up right at market open, and I sold it because every time the market opens, things fall. So that's just a recap. I'm going to have a $2,000 or $2,100 challenge coming up. I'm going to explain that more in the next video once I get everything figured out. I've been messaging people about it. People have asked me to do it, so we're going to do it. So more details on that. So this one's going to be a really short video since it's my birthday. I got a lot of things to do. So please smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.